guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video it's going to be a tutorial on this look, so if you want to see how I create this look, just keep on watching. Today I am going to be using this palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I am going to take the shade Eden on a Sigma E40 brush, and I am going to apply it all over my crease. Now I am going to take this highlighter palette, and I am going to highlight my brow bone. You can use any highlighter that you have. You don't have to use the exact same things I used. From the same Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette, I am going to take the shade Satin, and I am going to blend it into my crease using the same brush. On a Sigma E25, I am going to take a brown eyeshadow, and I am going to apply it into the outer V, and I am going to slightly drag it into my crease, lower crease. And I am going to take a clean Sigma E40, and I am going to blend everything together. Using concealer, I am going to create a half cut crease, and first I am going to be using a Sigma cut crease brush to kind of like create the shape, and to define the cut crease, I am going to be using a Sigma L06 brush. Now I am going to take Eden again, and I am going to apply it into the lid. And between the brown eyeshadow and Eden, I am going to apply Satin just to have a gradients effect. Now I am going to take this glitter glue and this glitter, gold glitter by BH Cosmetics, and I am going to apply it right where I cut my crease. Now let's move on to face, and today I am using the new JOAH foundation and primer. I'm not a huge fan of the primer, but the foundation, you guys, is amazing. I am loving this foundation. It makes my skin look so flawless, poreless, and it's super lightweight, and the coverage, it's really good. So I really recommend this foundation. I don't know about the primer, but that foundation, it's bomb. Cream contour, I am going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. And to blend my contour, I am going to be using my Real Techniques sculpting brush, and I never blend my contour doing circular motions. I always press the product into my skin, and that's how it blends. Like, I just press, and the product is gonna blend. For concealer, I am going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Vanilla. To set my concealer and my foundation, I am going to be using the JOAH setting powder in the shade Banana. To bronze my skin, I am going to be using the JOAH blush and bronze palette. I don't know about this, you guys. I feel like it's like muddy. I like the blush, I don't like the bronzer at all. For highlight, I am using the Anastasia Glow Kit in that glow, and I am using these 3 shades. And we're gonna go back to the eyes, and I am going to take Satin again, and I am going to blend it into my lower lash line. On a flat brush, I am going to apply the brown shadow on my lower lash line very tight, and I am going to take a fluffier brush, and I am going to blend everything together. Now I am going to take the shade Lucid, and I am going to apply it into my tear duct. And this brush is by e.l.f. It's the e.l.f. concealer brush. Now we're gonna move on to lips, and I am going to be lining my lips with this red lip liner, and I am going to be applying the Desi and Katie liquid lipstick in the shade Savage on top. Now I am going to apply lashes. You can just apply mascara into your natural lashes, but you know I'm a lash girl, so I am using the Ardell Double Wispy Lashes. And that is it, you guys. Here is the complete look. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video.